Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement the past couple of days. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And in my mind, that'd be right there at $4.65. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold above it, and I use the word continue because if you look at the chart, you can see that the bears have actually already tried on a couple of times to push down through it, right there. And here temporarily made progress, but the price quickly snapped back upwards. So, on a couple different occasions, the bears have tried, but the bulls have held strong. So if that level can continue to hold strong, like I said, big picture perspective, that would be a great sign of strength. Now, if the price doesn't hold above it, taking a step back, looking at the grand scheme of things, and really kind of just simplifying, answering the question, hey Clay, how can I measure the health of the overall move? This right here being defined as the overall move. Well, how can you measure the health of that? That's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So simply put, from the grand scheme of things perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, as it continues to move up over time, the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? First level is more of the shorter term one that seems to have popped up in the afternoon. Sort of a random spot, but right up there at $4.88. But you can see for whatever reason in the afternoon, the bulls tried multiple times to get back above that area, but just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be the initial area of resistance. And then next potential battleground after that, just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up around the $5.20 mark. So all in all, though, any way you slice it, like I said, past couple of days have been very nice, and taking a step back and just really kind of looking at things from a longer term perspective. As long as the price puts in higher bases over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice way to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this trend next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.